Remember this game? This is Plants vs Zombies now. Feel old yet? I'm gonna start remaking Plants vs Zombies with a primitive prototype. The game idea is simple. The player has access to several types of plants. The player also collects sun, with which defending plants can be bought. Zombies approach along several parallel lanes on a lawn, and the player must use plants to defend their house from zombies. And this is definitely a wrong way to do it. But anyway, let's make some plants. For now, I made the first 3 plants which player can obtain: sunflower, pea shooter, and cherry bomb. Sunflower spawns sun to collect. Pea shooter fires projectiles at zombies. Kind of. And cherry bomb explodes and immediately kills nearby zombies. Basically, this is the whole game. But we obviously need to make beautiful map, add more plants, and make our zombies to be a bit more zombish. Guess I'm done with zombies. Level design is next on the list. And now, let me thank Core for sponsoring this video. Core is a new free game creation tool that was designed to make game dev process much easier and allow almost everyone to create their own worlds. With Core, you can create multiplayer games with no coding or art skills required. It gives you the power of Unreal Engine, lets you access thousands of free, high-quality music, sound, and art assets. But of course, Core still lets you create your own scripts in Lua. You can build games from scratch and instantly publish them on Core platform, or reimagine content shared by other creators. Moreover, creators can monetize their games with Core's new Perks program. Core is not only a game creation tool, it is also a whole universe of games to play, designed by a global community of creators. Core is also a social hub where you can hang out in a network of connected worlds. Core is completely free, so be sure to check it out, link in the description. Just to clarify, I did not make all the models I used in the level. I got them from Unreal Engine Marketplace and designed this small map with their help. I'll put all the links to the assets I used in the description. After that, I modeled and scripted 3 more plants: Chomper, Walnut, and Potato Mine. Chomper is able to eat zombies, instantly defeating them. However, when eating a zombie, he needs to chew the zombie for a short amount of time, which leaves him vulnerable to attacks. Walnut does nothing but defend plants behind it from zombies. And Potato Mine needs some time to arm and explodes when any zombie steps on it. There is also Ice Pea Shooter that fires projectiles and slows zombies. Now I guess it is time to fix some bugs and create beautiful user interface. Now we have all the plants and shovel icons along with simple background in similar style. In our original game, there are a bunch of separated levels and you can unlock new plants and zombies by finishing a level. I wanna implement different approach. There will be only one level, but while you're progressing through the level, you will unlock new plant cards, zombies will get stronger, and you will unlock new rows of the lawn. Currently, there are 7 types of plants and 3 types of zombies. Simple zombies, big zombies with bigger health pool and faster attacks, and fast zombies with increased movement speed. During the game, it gets harder and harder to protect your house, because zombies get spawned faster and faster. If a zombie gets to your house, the game is over. But if you survive long enough, you will receive an interesting message from zombies, just like in the original game. But I don't wanna spoil you the end of the game yet. Finally, I made a small scene for the main menu and started to add some sounds to the game. I also asked several musicians from my friend list if they can make a short Plants vs Zombie-like soundtrack for the game. So thank you Crystals for making a beautiful soundtrack. And this is Plants vs Zombies Remastered. Now I wanna thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video and being a part of my community. We get more than 500,000 people on the YouTube channel alone in less than half a year, and that's mean a hell lot for me. If you wanna know what I'm working at right now, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and join our Discord community. Now we also have a brand new Reddit community. So if you are a Reddit guy like me and a meme master, you are welcome there. And of course, check out my second YouTube channel. I'll post there some IRL videos, link in the description. I also want to give a special thank you to all my Patreon supporters and of course to all my highest tier supporters. Behold, L Wizard, Jeremy Matsumoto, Luke Sugars and Divan. And also don't forget to check out Core Platform. All the links in the description. Have a great and safe year and as always, see you next time.